Hello, this is Mr. Goliath. So after you have done your snippet tool for the 3 or 4 driving questions and for your citations, you're now ready to change your graphic design for your summative into a JPEG. So that's what we're going to learn right now. So what I'm going to do is click the File button, and I'm going to click Save As. And eventually a box is going to pop up that looks like this, and I'm going to change it so it just says graphic design. You name it what you want. Here's the trick down here. I want to change this to a JPEG like so, and I want to save it in my 8 comp apps folder. You can also save this in your Google Drive in your video folder, and now I just need to click save. And then it's going to ask every slide or current slide only. I only want the current slide. And just like that, it's done. I now have that JPEG, and I'll be able to use that for my podcast. So you can go ahead and do that now.